Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you all, my dear learners, wherever you're learning from all over the world. You're welcome to another brand new episode of our virtual Yoruba class. I am Fatai Oyeyemi, your virtual Yoruba teacher.
Yeah, to all my people all over the world, this is for you, you know what I'm saying? Let's check it out.
Today we'll be taking a look at the names of some birds in Yoruba language. If you've been following my channel, you'll discover that the last two classes were spent on explaining the names of animals in Yoruba language, which is why today we'll be taking a look at the names of some birds. And without wasting much of our time, let's just go straight into the class. I'll call the name once and you repeat after me. Let's go. ÀKÚKỌ, ADÌYẸ, ẸYԵLÉ, pẹ́pẹ́yẹ, awó, àwòdì, igún, ayékòótọ́, òwìwí, ọ̀kín, àdàbà, àdán, tòlótòló. With this, my dear friends, we've come to the end of today's class, and I do hope you learned something new today. If you do, then remember to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you get notified of our weekly Yoruba classes. Like this video, share it with your friends, and comment. Till I see you in the next class. God bless Nigeria. God bless Fatai Oyeyemi. God bless you all, my dear friends, wherever you're watching from. See you in the next class. Bye.